Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word Hanukkah in depth. First, the definition. Hanukkah means a Jewish festival celebrating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. Think of it simply as a joyful holiday marked by lighting candles on a menorah. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Hanukkah traces back to Hanukkah was first recorded in Jewish texts around the 2nd century BCE. Over time, it's been used by Jewish communities around the world. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Hanukkah in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. During Hanukkah, families light the menorah each night and exchange gifts. Correct example 2. Many cities hold public Hanukkah celebrations with music and food. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Hanukkah my smartphone, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Hanukkah correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Hanukkah means a Jewish festival celebrating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. It comes from historical Jewish texts, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Hanukkah down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.